Isn't it funny how one thing can lead to another? I decided to replace the water pump, and this is the result. One thing's led to another. I've decided to get the head refurbished, so then I've started to remove the block. Now I've started to remove some wiring and some ancillaries, because I then decided that the engine bay needs a refresh, a repaint, replacement of some components. The wiring is a mess. It's the original wiring loom, but someone's had a right mess about with it, so it's not good. So instead of taking a few weeks to replace the water pump, it looks like I won't be driving the car anytime soon. The aim is to get it ready for next spring. I hope it's going to look nice. The car's generally not too bad, it's just a little bit tired. As you can see, it's got a spider chassis, which is in pretty good condition. Just a little, tiny little bit of rust down there, but that's about it. I'll be removing the steering rack, as it looks a little bit tired, and I think the bushes are on the way out, because there's a little bit of play in the steering. The gearbox was rebuilt about 1,000 miles ago by Paul Matty at the cost of about £3,000, just over. So that's okay. All the brake pipes and master cylinder have been replaced. I'll probably have a look at replacing the clutch master cylinder at some point. The regulator looks as though it could do with a bit of refurb or replacement. The wiring is a little bit suspect as well, so whether that needs replacing, I don't know. I'll have to decide that soon. Inside the car's not too bad, but it depends how much work I really want to do on it. The door handles are a bit tired and probably could do with a little bit of refurb or perhaps replacing. It all depends on how much I want to pay, really. Unfortunately, there's a few cigarette burns, but other than that, the seats are in very good condition. Where the ceiling needs replacing. And some period map lights fitted as well, which I may leave in place, or I may decide to take them out altogether. I don't know yet. At some point it's going to need a respray. I mean, it looks okay, but you can see some of the gas fibre underneath, so it hasn't been done particularly well. I'll keep the Lotus yellow, but I think I'll replace I'll repaint the bumpers rather in silver. Also, I think I'll paint the wheels silver as well. Right, that's just a quick look at the state of the car at the moment. I will be posting more videos on various things that I'll be conducting in the next few weeks, months, years maybe, who knows. But there'll be some interesting things coming up. So subscribe and like if you can, please. Thank you. See you soon.